today we'll be doing the test for cations. There are two ways to test for cations. The first way is to add in aqueous sodium hydroxide, and another method is to add in aqueous ammonia. So first up, we'll be doing the test for presence of zinc ions. So I'm going to be first adding in a few drops of sodium hydroxide. So as you can see, there's formation of a white precipitate. This white precipitate is zinc hydroxide. So how is zinc hydroxide formed? It is when the zinc ions present in the unknown solution reacts with the hydroxide ions in NaOH to form ZnOH2. Okay, so now I'm going to add in excess sodium hydroxide, and I'll be using a glass rod to stir. So as you can see, the white precipitate dissolves in excess sodium hydroxide. Okay, so next I'm going to add in a few drops of aqueous ammonia. So as you can see, a white precipitate is formed. This white precipitate is zinc hydroxide. Now, why is it zinc hydroxide? It's because aqueous ammonia can also be written as NH4OH. So the hydroxide ions present in aqueous ammonia reacted with zinc to form ZnOH2. So next, I'm going to add in excess aqueous ammonia. Okay, and I'll be using a glass rod to stir. So as you can see, the white precipitate dissolves in excess ammonia to form a colorless solution. So among the three cations, zinc, aluminium and lead, zinc is the only cation that will form a white precipitate that dissolves in excess aqueous sodium hydroxide as well as aqueous ammonia.